In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a microphone to OBS Studio so your voice is recorded clearly in all of your streams and recordings. This is one of the most important settings to get right, whether you're streaming on YouTube, Twitch, or recording videos for later upload. If you've ever noticed that your gameplay or screen is recording, but your voice is missing, this video will fix that. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy OBS and software tutorials. All right, let's jump straight in. First, make sure OBS Studio is open on your computer. Once OBS is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the OBS configuration menu. When the Settings window opens, you'll see a list of tabs on the left-hand side. From this menu, click on the Audio tab. This is where OBS manages all sound-related inputs and outputs, including your microphone. Now that you're inside the audio settings, look for the section labeled Global Audio Devices. Under this section, you'll see an option called Mic or Auxiliary Audio. This is the main microphone input OBS uses across all scenes. Click on the drop-down menu next to Mic or Auxiliary Audio. OBS will now show you a list of all available audio input devices connected to your system. This might include built-in microphones, USB microphones, audio interfaces, or headsets. From this list, select the microphone you want to use for recording or streaming. Make sure you choose the correct mic, especially if you have more than one connected. Once you've selected your microphone, double-check that it's the correct device. Choosing the right mic here ensures your voice is captured clearly without using the wrong input. After selecting your microphone, look toward the bottom right of the settings window and click Apply. This saves the changes you just made. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. At this point, your microphone is now active across all scenes in OBS. To confirm everything is working, speak into your microphone and look at the audio mixer section in OBS. You should see the mic level moving as you talk. If you see movement, that means your microphone is successfully connected and working properly. If you don't see any movement, double-check that the correct microphone is selected and that it's not muted either in OBS or on your system. And that's it. You've successfully added a microphone to OBS Studio using the built-in audio settings. This setup works for recordings, live streams, and any scene you create, so you don't need to re-add the mic every time. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step OBS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.